Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, subscribers? I want to thank everybody for getting me past that 100 marker. Let's get to 1,000. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to tie your shoes the unorthodox way, like the butterfly way. So pay attention, and without further ado, here we go. These are size 13 US shoes, big feet, you know. But these are some Lebrons, you know. But without further ado, let's get to it. Let's get these shoes tied with them bunny ears, or infinity loop, whatever you want to call it. The unorthodox way to do this: take both your strings and cross them as so. Say that's step one. Take the first one loop, hold the other one in your hand, like cuff it, your fingers, hold the middle of the loop, this one through, hold it tight, okay? Make 2 ears, 2 loops, 2 pieces of the infinity, okay? Take that, put it together, tie 1 loop through. While doing the same as last time, you're holding the 1 loop in between here. Hold that again. Now, it can come out like this, right? So this is how it came out, but you can double knot it if you choose to as well, to keep it from coming undone throughout the day. That's pretty much all it's doing. I'll show you again with this shoe real quick. Get a good shot there. Okay. Pull. Get everything how you want it. Pull. Put it through again. Pull. 2 loops. 1, 2. No circle around the loop. This is the unorthodox method. This is the method I prefer. Alright. Take both the loops. Pull them through. One more time. Make it permanent for the day. That's all it's doing. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, hit the like button, and push the bell for notifications.